Here we go. Remember, you gotta let it sit on the ground. You can't pick it up. Good job. Got that first bone off right away. Nope, can't pick it up. There you go. No picking it up. No, there you go. Don't run off with it. That's not the toy. There you go. Did you get everything? That was so fast. It was supposed to take you minutes. This is the advanced one. I don't know what we're going to do. We've got to put you in college.